Sweetie, go up to your room right now and read your books immediately while I dust up this little dirty spot and that spot. But Mommy, I want to play my little dollies. No, not those dollies again. I don't even know why you like to play with those little dolls. Ugh. I must go read my books, I will. But you must give me Robux afterwards. I will, but just go read your books. 3 chapters, okay? Okay, Mommy. Wow, this book is good. I wonder when I'm going to get some Robux. Robux. Who is that? I wonder if there's a package here. I'm going to go check. Ooh. Let's open it. I got new fidgets. Did I order them or Mommy? Well, at least I get to play with this. This is really squishy. It's like it's almost like a marble mesh, but it's not. Look at this baby one. Well, at least I'm excited. No bucks. Boring bucks. Go away.